Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Update with Jagadish Chandran. Today we will be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty going forward and the key levels to watch out for. Nifty on an intraday basis opens around 19,810, tests the highs of 19,830 levels and sees the profit booking up to 19,760 zones to close the day around 19,794 below 19,800 zones 0.04% negative for the day. Bank Nifty opens around 43,630 zones, tests the lows of 43,560 to close the day positive 191 points, 43,769 zones positive 0.44% for the day above 43,700 zones. Both indices are trading in a range, awaiting for a range breakout either side. On a derivatives data, 2 hinting a range bound activity visible in the markets. Advanced decline ratio is 0.07, advances 74 versus the declines of 110. India VIX is hovering around 11.33. Next week will be interesting and we will be seeing action packed markets. Dear investors, great opportunities to emerge in coming sessions. Focus on stock specific to build your long term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for your trading and investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, kindly subscribe our channel for market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.